Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to put back 11 11 11 Rubik's Cube. Compare on the table it's 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5. Before you can do this one big, you need to learn how to do 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5, because all the formulas will continue using for the all rest Rubik's cubes. And this minimum what I counted on these 3 cubes, it's approximately 15 to 17 formulas what you need to learn, and you will know how to put together all the rest Rubik's cube, even biggest 21 or even more bigger someday. That means I will try to show you shortly now what I will do. We see time 18:20. It will take less than 2 hours, and I will show you step by step what I will do, what I am starting. From beginning I put one color. I'm starting from white. I put one color, and after that when I do it I will come back to you and will explain my next steps. Okay, I did one color in approximately 10 minutes or something. Now we will do 3x3, after that 5x5, the same color. Different people doing different things. They after put another color full in the middle, and I will do center by center. Okay, let's go. I will show you shortly how I will finish these middles. This orange need to be here, and there is a formulas. You do it better on the table. And blue, middle, blue again. See, one blue is missing. I put one blue inside. That's all. Blue is in the middle. Now the rest is yellow, and change these 2 yellow colors. One more. That's all. 3x3 middles are done. Here is a 3 middle, here, big white is still here, and red. Now I go one more round around, and step by step all of these. As you can see, 5x5 in the middle are finished. White is still in the place. Now I will do 2 more rounds around everything, and I will come back later. I'm back, and now few steps left. Only change some colors, 1 and 1. Let's go. One more. This is ready, and that red here, green here. Okay, let's go. You see. Okay, this is ready. Middles are ready. It take almost 1 hour now. Now we do all these 12 lines. It's also a lot of job, and when I will finish all these the same colors, will be only left 3 to 3. If you know how to do it 3 to 3, you are done. Okay, be in a minute. You can see one left here. I will show you how it's to do the same color, easy way. And that's all. And I need to do 11 more corners or lines. Not so much left. I'll show you last steps, but for me it's harder to do that while making movie, because my hands are a little bit further and I don't see properly. Need white color here. Need to find it somewhere. Oh yeah, okay, there is white color, one white color. Okay, let's go. Not interesting, but let's go one more. Okay, white will be here. Okay, 3 more left to go. You can see all is done almost, and 3 lines left to go. I will show you a little bit how I'm doing. I found better position for my phone. Now there is only 2 left, if you can see from the top. Now these formulas don't work before. It's a special formula from 12 times turn to change this blue here and the white reds here. And it works like that. It takes some time. Mistake, and I think I did mistake, but we will see. Maybe not so big yet. Yes, I did mistake, and now it will take some time to fix it. I don't wanna take it apart. It's easy to fix, but it will take some time. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. One color is ready. Okay. Okay. It will take some time. It's a big mistake was done by me, and what I can say, that's because of filming. I think that's because of filming only. It's getting better and better. Yeah, but it will take some time. If you do so mistake, it will take some time to fix that. You can't be hurry here at all, because this mistake cost you a lot of steps back, and what I can say. Everything this is possible. It will take some time. I will come back when it will be ready middles again. I will show you what will happen if you do mistake. It's almost middles, it's back. Now only 2 left. and I will put them back now, easy way. Okay, and you will see what happened. This lines was almost ready, and when you do mistake, only one mistake, that means all lines almost gone. It will take like 10 more minutes to put them back together, and that mistake costs time. I will come back after I'll fix my mistake. Now I will tell you what mistake I done. I forgot what even or odd cubic I'm doing. I'm doing cubic odd, and it's 11, and that means it's middle line. And I did mistake that I not started, didn't take to the mind that it's a center line. And I did some mistake which cost me like 15 to 20 minutes. And now I need to change that one and that one. That's 12 steps formula. It's pretty hard, but if you want to do it, you just need to remember. Okay, now almost only one need to change. That and that, and one more 12 times formula. That means it's a center, it's a fed from the corner. That means fed from the corner, and we use the same formula. And if you do mistake again, you will step back like 20 minutes before. You see, now it's the same color, but not on the line like here. We need to do it like here. It's the line. It's now it's 15 steps formula, and I will show you simply. Okay. Almost done. Okay, that's 15 steps, and we have this corner ready. And now the center is that one. That means 2 times we need to use that formula, 2 times 15 steps formula, to put these whites upside down. Let's go. Okay, looks good. Almost done. And now there is left these 2 corners, the same formula again. And what will be left? That means only 3 by 3 cubic Rubik cube. And because it's can be done mistake on that one when it's odd numbers. Only on even numbers can be done mistake, which exist another formulas to do it. You see, now this is 3 to 3. It's the same formulas like 3 to 3. That means we do white. Another problem is need to be very good light. Because I don't see yellow and white. It's almost the same for me now, because I have pretty bad light here. Now you see white. We do cross and we have white. Cross need to fit. That means this fits, this doesn't. We do formula again. Cross formula 3 by 3. Okay, now we have a cross. Okay, we have a cross now. Now only corners, 4 corners. Nothing left actually. And this big one you need always to keep on the table when it's a flat surface, and it's pretty nice to use. Before I didn't do that, and it was falling out, these small things, which you need to have some knife or something to put in. I have a Fisker's knife, I have a torch for pretty better light, and you can put it back together, but I use ordinary knife, nothing special. Almost done. This is corner here, and will be much more bigger later. It's only, remind you that it's only 11 by 11. It's over 400 grams, and it's not so heavy yet. What to do? One mistake again. We are almost on finish line. One more to put. After that, cross, corners, and to put corners in the place. Now we need to put cross here again and again. Come on. Come on. Now it's left cross. Just need to put yellows, fit sides. Okay, we have a cross now. Everything fits, and what's left is almost nothing. Almost nothing left. Almost done. This big thing. I don't know how much it will take. Oh, actually, I am happy what I did now. You see, there's 2 left only to turn it, and that's 2 times this and 2 times this. That's done. Let's go again. And we finished in 1 hour and 43 minutes before I finished, with no mistakes, with 1 hour 50 minutes. And I did actually big mistakes here, but I will show you that. I decided to show you what mistakes can be and how much time it will cost if you want later. And you can follow me on YouTube or TikTok. You can call me Nespecialistas. It's just for fun. I made it, and that's my hobby. Later on I will publish all steps how to do 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5 with that minimum formulas like 15 or 16 formulas, when all the rest from 6 to 6 and to the biggest ones, you can do it. You only need to learn pretty nice 3 by 3, 4 by 4 a little bit different formulas, and 5 by 5 for the middles and these lines. See you next time, guys.